Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that has actually been highly requested. So today I'm gonna be doing my nails. I used to go to a salon and get my nails done. I loved going, I loved having somebody else do my nails, sitting in the chair. It was so relaxing to me. But I could not really find a place that I enjoyed how they did my nails. There was always some kind of issue. I even had some traumatic injuries. So one day my sweet friend Elle Linquist, she is another YouTube mama. If you are not following her, you guys should go follow her. She's so sweet, down to earth. She's one of my dearest friends. But anyways, we were talking one day and she said that she got this at-home gel manicure set from Amazon and that she loved it. And I was skeptical, but I was like, I think I need to try this. So I ordered one as well. And I'll have everything that I am using in this video linked down below for you guys to check out if you want to do it as well. But you guys, I got all the stuff, I tried it for the first time, and I was hooked. It is so good. It does take some time to do, but I can do it. I can shape the nails how I want, get the quality out of it that I want, and it lasts for a very, very long time. I'm so excited about it. So I did this for the first time. I did my nails for the first time in a video, and I showed just a little bit of it. And you guys were asking me to do a tutorial. So that's what this video is today. I'm gonna do a little tutorial, show you guys how I do it. I am in no way an expert, but I've been doing it for a little while now, and I think I've got it down. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and I totally recommend you guys try it at home. I got all of this stuff from Amazon, very inexpensive, and I'll have everything that I'm using in this video linked down below for you guys. And a little tip is to put some paper towel down in the bottom of the bowl and kind of rub your fingers around a little bit to help just work that acetone off, or work the gel polish off. So I've soaked my nails and all of the existing gel is off. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through and I'm going to just shape my nails. I'm gonna use a file, just a regular old file them down, shape them. I like my nails to be square with rounded corners, so I'm gonna start doing that first. My nails are all shaped, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is kind of just clean up my cuticles a little bit. I have this little tool, but it's got kind of a scrapey end on one end and then an end where you can push back your cuticles. So I'm gonna push back my cuticles a little bit, and then I have these little cuticle cutters, and I'm just gonna clean up my cuticles. We're about to get ready to paint, but this is a really important step before you apply the polish, is to get either some of that acetone, that 100% acetone, or rubbing alcohol, and then just wipe off the surface of your nails to remove any oils or, I don't know, any of the dust from filing, any of that stuff, and that's gonna help your nails, like the nail polish, stay on your nails for a long time. Once you have prepped your nails, now it's time to paint. This is the UV LED light that I'm using, and I'm just gonna plug it in. I have my 3 polishes here, and this is the color that I'm gonna be going with. And then here is a top coat and a base coat. First thing I'm gonna do is the base coat. So what I do is I try and maintain the shape of the nail that I want. I don't necessarily follow the shape of my own nail. but I kind of want like an even rectangular shape. And I also am careful to go as far close to the cuticle as I can without actually touching the cuticle. And I don't know if that's the right way to do it or not, but that's what I have been doing and it works great. So just apply a coat on all your nails. Now I am going to let the base coat cure in the light for 60 seconds. Now it's time to go in with the color, so I'm just gonna paint on one coat on all of my nails, and then I'm gonna cure it in the light, under the light for 60 seconds. Now that the first coat is on, I'm gonna cure it under the light for another 30 to 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna apply 2 more coats, and after each coat, I cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. I have 3 coats of color on, and now the last thing that I have to do, super easy, is apply 1 coat of top coat and then cure it for 60 seconds, and that's it. But isn't that color gorgeous? It's perfect for fall or Christmas. I love it. All right, so that is it. I did the other hand as well. I'm happy with it, I love it. And it's actually really easy. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to the channel already, then I would love to have you guys do that. Love to have you guys be a part of the channel. You can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch and keep up with us there. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.